Friends, so in this video tutorial I'm going to show you uh, what is a billing account and how to enable your billing account for a Dialogflow project. So first of all, let me try to explain you what is a billing account. Well, if you go to your Dialogflow and if you go to this fulfillment option and you see this inline editor, if you try to enable this fulfillment option, you will see this message. So Google has now made it mandatory to add a billing account if you want to use the inline editor or basically the Google Cloud Functions for your Dialogflow agent. So I will explain you what is this billing account and how can you create a billing account, how can you enable this. So first of all, let me explain you what is this billing account. Basically, billing account is basically the way in which Google manages the payments and all. So they ask you to create this billing account, and then each billing account has a payment method. So you add your credit card or debit card or anything on your billing account, and basically they charge your card when the free usage limit exceeds. Billing account is basically to manage your cost. Okay, and you can assign members to a billing account so that other people in your team can view and manage cost related things which you can use while you use the Google Cloud product and services. Now when you have created a billing account, you can link your projects to those billing accounts. So whenever you create a new agent in Dialogflow, a new Google Cloud project is created, and each project can be connected to a billing account. One billing account can be linked to up to 5 projects. So this is one important thing that you need to keep in mind, that one billing account can have only up to 5 projects. Okay, and then you have to create another billing account if you want to have more than 5 projects. Well, creating a billing account is easy, so let's see how to do that. So you see this message here, just click on Open Cloud Console and you will be redirected to Google Cloud Platform. And here it will ask for set up a billing account. Now since I have already created several billing accounts, that's why I'm seeing it here, but in your case you might not see this message because you might not have a billing account. Okay, so how to create a billing account? Just cancel this and you can click on this 3 lines here and click on billing. Now you can again click on link a billing account, but let's not do it. So you can just click on manage billing account. Another way to do this is just go to console.cloud.google.com/billing. And once you are here, you will see this message, add a billing account. Okay, so let's create a billing account. You can change it to anything. Let me call it AWT billing account. Then you can select your country, you can select your currency. I think you cannot select your currency because it defaults to your current country. And then there are a couple of options here. Just use the Google Cloud Platform for Dialogflow and click on continue. And here it will ask you for few details like your profile, your business address, so you can create a new profile or you can use an existing. So it will ask for your business name, address and all. Since I have already created, I will use my existing profile. And then tax information like PAN card or any other. If you are in India, it will ask for GST number and contact details, and finally the payment method. So you can add a new credit or debit card, but since I already have, I will use my existing one. It will ask for your credit card details like card number, PIN, and expiry date and all. So once you have filled all the details, just click on submit and enable billing. It will ask for security code. Finally, it will verify your payment method. And that's it. So you see your billing account has been created. Now you can click on manage to change things like name of the billing account, and you can find more videos on how actually billing account can be used, how to add members and all. The purpose of this video is just to tell you how to create a billing account so that you can use it in your Dialogflow. Now you just need to come here and click on this open console, and you will see your billing account which you have just created, and you can select your billing account and then click on setup. And then that's it. So now if you go to Dialogflow, you should see your inline editor enabled and you will be able to code here, right? So that's it about billing account. If you have any question, feel free to comment below in the comment section, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just click on that like button, and in the next video we'll talk about how to create a Google Hangouts chatbot. So please subscribe to our channel if you have not already subscribed, and please press that bell icon so that you stay tuned with the latest video. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you.